Hey guys, welcome back to 40 Plus Life, or welcome if you are new. I'm Veronica, and today I'm going to continue with the little beginner series that I started doing. The last video, if you haven't seen it, is all about cash envelopes for beginners, but a little bit more than that. I talked about more of there's no excuse, you can just start. All it takes is $1. All it takes is just whatever items you have at home. So if you're interested in that video, you can find that in the description box below, in an iCard if I remember to add it, or just look in my list of videos and you'll find it. But for today, I wanted to do something more about savings challenges. This one in particular, one of the most well-known one, is the 52-week challenge. Now, the way I am doing my 52-week challenge and how I did it last year. Now, last year I did it in a similar fashion. I just put in money that I had into my little jar here, and I ended up saving $600. So every week I put in some money, and it doesn't have to be much. Sometimes I have $1, sometimes I have $3, sometimes I'm lucky and I have $20. I put it in my jar and it all added up to over $600, and that was amazing just for just putting money in a jar. So I decided to do it again. I made a new sheet and I called it the 52-week Wing It Challenge, because the way I do everything is I wing it. So here, as you can see, I've got a variety of denominations from $3 up to $20, I think is the most I've been doing, because the traditional way to do the 52-week challenge is the first week you put in $1, second week you put $2, $3, $4, $5, all the way to the final week, which you can't see here. The final week you would put $52. And I just don't feel like with my budget that I can do that. Like, I can do the smaller numbers, yeah, no problem, but I didn't feel like that was gonna work for me, so I decided to create this. And as you can see, I just throw money in a jar. There's so many different ways. The nice thing about challenges is that there's so many different ways you can do it. And this is the way I decided to do it. This little tiny jar, it filled up $600 worth of bills and stuff. And I just stuff it in there, and it was really fun to count it at the end because I like to be surprised. So this is how I'm doing it. Now, I actually have a freebie that I'm giving out. It's a free bundle, and this is for everyone, and it's for 1 week. So from today, the 19th, through Wednesday the 25th, it's gonna be free. So please do take advantage of it, because this bundle is super great for beginners, but it's also great for everybody. Once that week is up on that Thursday the 26th, it's gonna go up on my Etsy shop. So I was gonna put it up on my Etsy shop anyways, and then also have it as a freebie, but I didn't want someone to buy it and then they found my video after, and then they could have got it for free. So I just wanted to, I'm gonna wait. So let me just show you that really quick. So this is what I've got here. So for the absolute beginner, I think a great way to start is to do the 12-week savings challenge. For 12 weeks, you will save $78. And this is if you do it the traditional way. Week 1, put in $1. Week 2, $2. On the final week, you put in $12. Do that every week and you'll save $78. Great little starter if you're not sure, if you can do the 52-week, okay? Now, in my fashion, I always like to have 2 versions of this. So this is the traditional way, and then I've got a blank one where you can do it more the way I do it, which is the wing it way. So if you want to just put in however much you want every week, you can write that in and then add it up at the end and put in your total amount. So that is the 12-week challenge. Then I've got, if I can get it, the 26-week savings challenge. Now it's the same thing. If you do it the traditional way, you save $351. Okay, but again, I also offer a blank one, so you can decide how much you want to put in for each week and then add it up at the end. And then I have the traditional 52-week challenge. If you do this a traditional way, you save 1,378. And then there's the blank one, which you can put in however you want. So obviously you see I've got my 52-week Wing It challenge. This is actually already up in my Etsy shop. You get the traditional plus this. So that is still gonna be up there. But I'm now also gonna put up this whole kit because this is like great for smaller up to larger, okay? And then I prefer the larger sheets, okay? But if you want to, for those that prefer the smaller A6 challenges, ta-da, I also have it in the small A6 form. And in small version, so I've got the 12-week savings challenge, and I also have an 18-week savings challenge. So with the 12-week, you save, I did it so you can do it both ways. You can save your 78 for the 12 weeks, or you can ignore that completely and put in your custom amount. So each week you can put however much you want. Same thing for the 18-week. You can save 171 if you did it the traditional way, or custom amount. So completely up to you, but you get this entire set here. What is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You get 7 pages for free right now. And then next Thursday, the 26th, it will be up on my Etsy shop. So please do take advantage of getting this for free. I really appreciate you guys, everyone, for being here. And this is just kind of like a little thank you. But I really, really want to emphasize that if you're a beginner and if you followed my last video and you're going to start your cash envelopes, put in $1 each week in your envelopes, and you're going to save your money, then you can go ahead and start the 12-week savings challenge. And you can do it the traditional way and save $78 at the end of that week. And you can decide, what am I going to do with this $78? You can have it go towards debt. You can have it go towards car maintenance, whatever you want. Or you can do it the Wing It way, where you customize it and put in however much you want. And you can use an envelope. You can create one of your little envelopes like I showed you, or you can just get a jar. This is my little jar here. It's not that big. This little thing you can purchase at the Dollar Tree. I use this for my coins right now, and once this is filled up, I put it in my larger jar. But there's all different things you can do. You get a little baggie here. You can just use a baggie in general, whatever you want. But the whole point here is I just want to show you, as a beginner, you can totally do a savings challenge, and you can just start with this one. This is free. So it's in the description box below. So please get this whole entire set. Once you finish the 12-week, you can move on to the 26-week, then to the 52-week, or you can just do the mini challenge here, and you can do the 12-week or the 18-week, and then move on to the 26-week. So you've got lots of options here, and I just really wanted to make this quick video to show you guys that a beginner, if you had no idea, oh, I can't do savings challenges, it's just too much, it's way out of my budget. It's really not, because if you do it this way, just do $1. That's $12, right? You don't have to do it this way, but it's fun, and that will I think it will help motivate you to save money more as well, just because it's a little something different than just stuffing an envelope. Instead, you're gonna do it in savings challenge form. Now you can take it a step further, and you can, like I do for my 100 envelope challenge, you can draw numbers. Just write down, your denominations that you think you can handle. $1 to $10, $1 to $5. Put a bunch of those numbers in a jar or in a baggie, and then draw it. And then that's how much you'll save in that week. And you can put it in this custom sheet right here. Really simple to do. So make these savings challenges your own. So you can do the traditional way, or you can customize it and make it more fun. You can draw numbers. You can use one of those apps to have the number pick for you. You can roll a dice, whatever you want to do. Possibilities are endless because you can do what works for you. Because as always, we are all on different journeys. We are all on different budgeting levels, and you got to do what works for you. So that is it really, guys. So I just wanted to offer this freebie to everyone. So it's not just for beginners, but I really want the beginners that have been on the cusp of, oh gosh, I don't know if I can do this, or how can I do this? But if the last video helped you on how to have cash envelopes and start stuffing, then please go to this next step, okay? Don't need to overwhelm yourself. Just continue with this. Start slow. Start small. Do what works for you and start saving money. And that's it. All right, guys, so that is gonna do it for this video. Please remember to get this bundle. You only have 1 week to get it. It's in my description box below. After the 1 week is up on May 26th, next Thursday, this will no longer be a freebie and it'll be up on my Etsy shop. So that is it, guys. Please do give a big thumbs up if you like this video, and if you like to see more videos like this, please do let me know in the comments below. If you are new, please do consider subscribing because I have some more ideas of more beginner-friendly stuff that I'd like to show. But of course, I'm also going to have my own stuff that I'm going to be showing. So if you'd like to follow along on my journey and see where I'm at, then please do join us. So that is going to do it for this video. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Remember to stay happy, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Hi, Nugget. What are you doing? Okay. Hi, Ollie. What are you doing? You laying by the waters? I need to change the filters on those, actually, which I will do today. Right, big boy? Right? Yeah, you feeling okay? Purr, purr. What next? Gotta be involved. And there's Moo. Hi, Mo. How's my little mochi boy? Oh, my little old man. Yes, you are. I don't know why he lays next to the food. And the food doesn't stay here, so it's only because I'm off work right now that this food is here. But when I go to work, this is up. I can't take a chance of Ollie trying to jump up here, because once in a while he can get up here. And he's not allowed to eat the hard food, so he can only eat canned food. So, yeah. Okay. Chester is, I don't know where he is. I think he's just asleep on his little tower thingy, cat tower. Oh, stretch. Good boy.